Are seed oils silently wrecking your health? From chronic inflammation to heart disease, the dangers are real. Today, I'll reveal why seed oils are bad news and why animal fats, avocado oil, and olive oil are the better alternatives. Seed oils like canola, soybean, and sunflower oil are in almost everything. But these oils are ultra-processed, unstable, and packed with omega-6 fatty acids that can trigger inflammation. When heated, they oxidize, creating harmful free radicals that damage your cells. Now, let's talk about a better option: animal fats. For centuries, our ancestors thrived on lard, tallow, and butter. These fats are stable, nutrient-rich, and don't oxidize like seed oils. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins A, D, and K2, essential for your health. For lighter options, avocado oil and olive oil are your best bets. They're minimally processed, packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, and less likely to oxidize. Always choose extra virgin and cold-pressed for maximum benefits. So, how do you make the switch? Replace vegetable oil with butter, lard, or tallow for cooking. Use avocado oil or olive oil for dressing and low-heat cooking. Read labels carefully. Seed oils hide in processed foods. Seed oils are a modern health disaster, but you don't have to be a victim. Make the switch to real, wholesome fats today. What's your favorite way to cook with butter or olive oil? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. See you next time.